Y'all, we got our Grand's flaky layers. And for whatever reason, this isn't even close. And, you know, however we get them out, we get them out. That's twice I've done this. Let's get our biscuits out. Guys, we're making pretzels today. Little bite-sized pretzels. We'll start with these. Take these biscuits, get them together, and then roll them up like this. Okay? I'm gonna take a little knife and cut them into little bite-sized bits, right? These are all cut up. Now let's get that baking soda bath ready. We'll get our water on. We'll get it boiling. It's a 1/4 cup of baking soda. I'm gonna drop a few of these in at a time. Not trying to crowd this pot. All right, y'all, these look a little slimy, but we are trusting the process. So we're gonna get these layered up in a little butter, brushed down, I mean. Now I'm going to make a few of these savory and a few of these sweet, okay? So we're only gonna salt the top of the first few here. I don't have pretzel salt. If you guys got pretzel salt, go ahead and grab it, okay? These back row right here, I'm gonna use a little cinnamon sugar mix, a little dessert shake maybe, and then we'll go from there. Team, we're gonna go into a 400-degree oven, maybe about 10 minutes or so. We want these to be a nice golden brown, pretzel-y color, right? That's a word. All right, I'll see you in a sec. All right, team, our pretzels are all done. Now you might ask yourself, CJ, when you put them on the pan like that, it didn't look this good. Well, I tell you what, you are right. I boiled them too long. When you put them in the boiling water with the baking soda, it is just a dunk, all right? The first batch I let go way too long just because I was distracted. And the second batch I thought I did all right, but guys, a dunk, okay? Maybe 15, 20 seconds, then pull them on out, okay? So just so you know, with this one, I called in the big guns. I called in my wife. Some of you guys, well, probably all of you don't know that she is the bitchy baker here on Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff. I had to call in the bitchy baker to help me out with this because I definitely messed that up. So we're gonna make some of these sweet, and the other ones we're gonna leave savory with just the salt and the butter. Sweet dessert shake going on. Whoa, going on. There you go, boys and girls. Let's get a bite. Guys, these are little bites of heaven. Perfect for whatever party you're having, especially for game day. Too easy, especially when you bring in the big guns. You guys got to make this because, baby, you know it's good.